we introduce Sagu 5F, an innovative ecosystem transforming traditional sago into an Industry 4.0 agro-industrial platform. We integrate cutting-edge technologies like IoT, AI, and blockchain, ensuring sustainability, renewable energy use, and significant positive impact on local communities. Our Agro-Industry 4.0 platform digitizes every aspect, turning natural resources into digital assets. We leverage advanced AI and data analytics to optimize sago cultivation, ensuring efficiency and productivity from the ground up. Precision farming is fundamental. From RFID-tagged seedlings in our smart nursery to LiDAR-mapped land management, we track every detail. IoT sensors monitor peat health, with data immutably recorded on blockchain, ensuring environmental integrity for carbon markets. Our smart log yard transforms physical sago logs into digital assets. Each log receives a unique digital identity, scanned for full traceability. This data forms a blockchain genesis block, ensuring transparency and integrity from harvest to processing. Our Zero Waste Factory embodies the 5F principle. One input yields 5 high-value outputs: food, feed, fiber, fertilizer, and fuel. Our ERP system provides real-time monitoring, offering investors complete transparency and diversified revenue streams. Our comprehensive digital infrastructure dashboard provides full real-time monitoring across the entire value chain. Key metrics, from crop yield to transactions, are immutably recorded on the blockchain, ensuring unparalleled transparency and traceability for all stakeholders. The Sagu 5F Token, S5F, is our financial innovation, transforming physical sago commodities into digital liquidity. This blockchain-powered asset streamlines transactions, benefiting farmers with financial inclusion and international buyers with secure, transparent access. Our traceability system guarantees quality and sustainability. Buyers can scan packaging to view the complete journey, verifying origin and environmental compliance. This ensures premium pricing and access to demanding international markets. We address financial inclusion by paying farmers directly with Sagu tokens into their digital wallets. This eliminates cash risks, reduces transaction costs, and provides secure instant payments, creating a closed ecosystem for remote communities. Our DeFi platform offers decentralized finance for farmer working capital. Farmers can tokenize unharvested sago trees as collateral, securing pre-financing through smart contracts. This provides crucial liquidity, verified in real time, without traditional banking barriers. Investors gain total transparency with real-time dashboards and diversified revenue streams from our 5F model. We are ESG and carbon credit ready, offering scalability and first-mover advantage in integrating blockchain with the sago agro industry. We invite impact investors, policymakers, and partners to join us in building the future of transparent, sustainable, and digitally enabled agriculture in Southeast Asia. Together, we can drive peatland restoration and green bio-refinery. Thank you.